Hi there, and welcome back. Today we are going to talk about one of the core features of Checkify Plus, the one that is a part of its platform-agnostic nature. This opens up a whole new range of use cases. It is possible to place QR codes on packaging, flyers, business cards, or even in physical stores, add to video streams, and instantly send buyers directly to your checkout. This is especially useful for offline to online funnels, events, or quick mobile purchases. Instead of asking customers to search for your product, you lead them straight to the final step, the purchase. This is a relatively simple tool that gives you a lot of flexibility and control over how your potential buyers convert, in combination with the classic buy links. Now let's move on to how to actually set this up. Open your Checkify Plus admin panel and go to the Buy Links section. Here you can create a new checkout link. Select the product you want to include, configure the quantity if needed, apply any additional settings like price adjustments, currency, language, or discounts. Once everything is set, generate the link, and that's it. You now have a direct checkout URL that you can use anywhere. This link is also available as the QR code. Now let's take a look at how it works in practice. Find the link in the table and click the QR icon. You will get the pop-up with the code. You may save it as a file or keep using it in digital form to apply anywhere you want online. Each attempt to open the buy link or the QR code will generate a checkout page with its unique ID every time. This removes friction, speeds up the buying process, and increases your chances of converting visitors into the actual revenue. Feel free to save this video if it helped you generate your first shoppable QR codes with Checkify, and let us know if you want guides for more features. We'll cover those next. And I remind you, if you are already selling on Shopify, you can unlock this same high-converting functionality while retaining all the benefits of the Shopify ecosystem by adding Checkify Pro to your store.